Hello YouTube, this is me Adil again. I'm doing an unboxing video here for the Apple Watch Sport 42mm Rose Gold Edition. Let's get started. I just got this today and I'm gonna try to be careful here. I was pretty excited actually. This color was really popular in the Apple Watch Edition, so let's see. Plastic, that's the Apple Watch logo on the box. There's nothing in there, just some barcoding. And there we go. That's the box, and says designed by Apple in California. Some paperwork. There it is. So let's see what's all is in there. There's some paperwork in there. You can see that, how to use the watch. And there's an extra small medium stone color band. So the one that comes with the don't fit, so you can swap it off. And also in the box, of course, there's a charging cable and a wall plug. And let's get started. Let's see this green tab. We're gonna pull it to open the watch. That's the Apple logo right here. Let's open this. That's the soft textured fabric here that says Apple Watch Sport. And there it is, the Apple Watch Sport 42mm rose gold with stone band. See? As you can see, there's the pin here also, rose gold. Really nice detail there. Let's unwrap this. There we go. Actually really nice, not bad. This is the back of the watch. The side has a screen. It says medium, large, 42mm. Really nice smooth texture. Feels really good. Says 7000 series aluminum. Really nice textured feel here on the watch. It's really nice. I really like the colors. I hope the phone, the new 6S, matches it. That's why I actually got it. So let's see how it goes. And I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video here soon for the, actually I ordered some bands here, the stainless steel bands. So let's see how that goes. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.